Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. I just wanted to talk to you guys about why I joined Exitus Elite and why I believe in it. So, my journey in affiliate marketing goes back to 2013. I've done a lot of different opportunities over the years, and I'd say 99% of them are all gone now. And I used to be one of those people that joins this business and then keeps joining all these different businesses, and a lot of them end up failing. Now, Exodus Elite, I've been looking at it for many, many years. I just never took the opportunity to look into it. Obviously, Power Lead System, that's my back end business, and it's also my marketing tools. But with Exodus Elite, I saw a lot of quality. Yeah, it can be pretty pricey depending on where you come in at. We have 5 levels. The lower levels are a little more affordable, but I do recommend you come in as high as you can possibly afford, because you don't want to put any other money on the table. You want to be able to make as much profit as you can in your business. That's why I took the plunge and went to the G1000, so I can make between $100 to $1,000 instant commissions, and then eventually I will upgrade to the G2000. But it's not just the amount of money you can make in Exitus Elite. There were other factors on why I joined it. Number one, it has a great owner. He cares about the business. He's still updating the business even to this day, even after over 9 years. Next year, Exitus Elite will turn 10 years old. We have a lot of new updates. We have a call center that will help you close sales for you. All you got to do is drive people to that call center after they watch the presentation video, and also we get paid instant commissions. So we can choose different payment processors. You can choose one, or you can choose multiple payment processors: PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, Venmo, Stripe. There's so many that you can choose from to get paid. So that is why I love Exitus Elite, because it has proven itself. I don't blindly join a business anymore. I want a business where I don't have to fear bringing people into it, because I fear that in a year from now it's going to crash. Exitus Elite is stable. That's what I love about Exitus Elite. And you can watch any of my videos where I have a lot of review videos on Exitus Elite. I have more to come. And repetition is good because it gets your message out there. That's why a lot of my videos are pretty much the same. But in the end, it's all about people. People join people. That's why it's important to brand yourself. It's important to get out there to get seen and heard. It's important to get over all the fears that are holding you back, because I don't go chasing after people. I used to do that a lot. I don't chase after people that don't want to join. It's a waste of my time, and it's a waste of your time. I leave my phone number out there for you to call. It's up to you if you want to. I treat everyone, whether you're a $1,000 commission or you're a $100 commission, I treat you all the same, because in the end, people join people, and it's building those relationships that's really going to help you to be successful in Exitus Elite. Now, the products in Exitus Elite, they're all training products. You have everything in Exitus Elite to help you succeed. You'll also get some team bonus training when you join my team. So that's why I joined Exitus Elite. It's proven itself. I have no doubt in my mind that Exitus Elite will still be here 5 years from now. So that's all I'm going to say in this video. It's just short and to the point on why I joined Exitus Elite. So I hope you have a wonderful weekend. At the time of this video, it's Saturday, and you have a wonderful week as well. And if you're on my team, I hope you have a successful week coming up, and I'm looking forward to working with everyone, and that's all. I'll see you all in the next video. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I also put out motivational videos out there too for those people that don't want to join my business. And that's it. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye. Oh, and if you want to learn more about Exitus Elite, it's in the description below. Bye.